Wow, boys and girls, it's already Thursday. So let's start with writing our names again. Please take your time and try to see if you can improve your penmanship. Don't rush it. Take your time with it. And today is May 7th, 2020. So let's see today's math. It says, use the math drawing to help you solve. Write the addition sentence that shows how to add the parts after you subtract 9. So today we are doing making 10 and subtracting, but we're also trying to add to help you make the 10, which I showed you on the last 2 days. So let's try practicing with these circles. We first do a group of 10 by making 2 groups of 5, and then the remaining on the third part. So the circles are already done for you, and the first sentence says, 15 minus 9 equals blank. So we have 5, 10, 15 circles already drawn. And we're going to cross out the 9. Why? Because it says subtract. And subtract means take away or minus. Well, the symbol means minus. So we're going to start from the first group of 10 in the front. We know that taking away 9 is 5 and 4 more. And when we do that, we have 1 left over from the 10. So you see here, they circled it after crossing off that long line of 9. And then you see the 1 plus 5, which is left over, and you add together and you get the number 6. So 15 minus 9 will equal 6. Let's try another problem. 16 minus 9 equals, so if you look at all the second number in the math problem, they're all taking away 9. So please make sure that you remember that it's going to be 9 and it's going to be from the beginning with the first 10 group. We have 16 circles, 5, 10, 15, 16. Then we subtract 9. And you can see there's 1 left over, so we circle. And the first number we have is 1, and the second number we have is 6. And we know it's 6 because of the number in the ones place. But we can also tell by looking at the 5 group and adding 1 more. 1 plus 6 equals 7, and 7 will be the answer. You might not need to do this part. You might be able to do it in your head. But for this practice, we want you to do it and write it down for us. Make sure you know how to take the parts and put it down as an addition sentence to get your difference answer. I know that's interesting to add to get the difference, but it's actually a very great trick for you to do math problems. Let's take a look at the Thursday's back sheet. It looks like it's the same. But let's just do one more for practice. It says, use the math drawing to help you solve. Write the addition sentence that shows how to add the parts after you subtract 8. So this part is subtracting 8 and not the 9. It says 15 minus 8 equals blank. Let's see if we have 15 circles in 5 groups. 5, 10, 15. Yes, we do. We're going to take away the 8. Remember, we don't start from the back. We should start from the front. We take 5 and 3 more to make an 8. Some of you should already know that fact. If not, just go 5 and count on 6, 7, 8. Then we circle the rest that was not crossed out. And do you see here, this part, there's 2. And this part, you see 5. So you write 2 and 5. 2 plus 5 equals, you're right, 7. How do we know? Take the larger number and count on. Let's try. 5, 6, 7. There it is. So we know that 15 minus 8, the difference is 7. We know that by taking the part from the 10 first and counting what is left over. Good luck with the rest of the worksheet and let us know if you have any questions. See you Friday.